Okay, so last night on my way home from work, which is about a 15-minute, 20-minute drive, a few minutes in, I got a warning on my screen about low coolant. The car drove fine. I got home and called Tesla, and they said, yep, don't drive it. Let's have you bring it in. Let's have it towed in. And so I said, okay, I won't drive it for the weekend because it was a Saturday, and the wife and I are home on Sunday. But could somebody pick it up on Monday so I could ride with them to the service department? And it was fine last night. And now today it's making this horrible sound. Sounds like it's coming from in here. And I don't know how to make it stop. I tried unplugging it. I tried shutting the car off on the touchscreen. So now I'm going to call Tesla, but I wanted to make this video first.